What's up, people? It's your boy Herzog1edwards. I'm about to do this video by myself, but it's about to be about translations, dilations, rotations, and reflections in the coordinate plane. All right. What's up, y'all? It's the next day because the first time I recorded it, I had some technical difficulties. So yeah. So I'm gonna start off with a dilation again. The scale factor is 2, so you just multiply it by 2. So that's going to be 8 and 12. Those multiply that to that. And you do that for all of the points. And you can see how they relate. And then this is the center point one. So this is the center point right here. So you just want to go to the original shape, and then you just want to go 1, 2. And then you do it twice because the scale factor is 2. So you go 1, 2, and that's 2 times. And so that's your new B point. That one right there, that one right there, and you just do that for all of them, and then yeah. This is the reflection one, and what I did to help me was if you like flip the paper, like bend it, or like just fold it in, those should match up when you reflect it over the X and Y axis. So what you want to do is just put a negative sign in front of that X coordinate to reflect it over the Y axis. And then you do that for all of them, and then you'll just get the right answer, And then for this one, you want to do the opposite, and you want to put the negative sign in front of that Y coordinate. Yeah. And then you plot it, and that's what you can get. You can see how they relate. Yeah. Oh, and then the reflection for the Y equals X, you just want to interchange those coordinates. And then so that would give me 6 and 4. So you plot 6 and 4, and then it's right here. And so that's where that is. Switch 7 and 1. So you get 1 and 7. That's where that one is. And then you can't switch 1 and 1, obviously. But if you could, I would. But yeah. Translation. This is like the easiest one. But, some people have struggled with it. So here we go. So we're going to translate the image -7 units in the X direction. So we go 1, 2, 3, 4. You count to 7 all the way over there across the X axis, and -7 is going that way. So yeah, and then it'll end up right there. And then for this one, you do it over there, -7 times. And then for this one, you go over there 7 times. And that's how you do that one. And then for this one, you're doing it across you're doing it in the Y direction, so you're going down, and it's negative, so you're going down, yeah. And then, so, you go down 7 times, you go down 7 times, you go down 7 times. And that's how you get that. Alright, rotation has got to be like, if you don't know what you're doing, this has got to be like the most difficult one. But the book really helped me out, so that's how I know how to do it. So, hopefully I can teach you how to do it. So for this one, we're rotating it 90 counterclockwise. So what you want to do is you want to put that negative sign in front of that Y coordinate, and then you want to interchange them. So it'll look like -4 and 3. And then you want to do that for all of them. You see how that one and that one, that one and that one. So this is 180. So like this is the easiest one. All you got to do is just put a negative sign in front of both of those coordinates, and then you'll come out with the answer for that one. And then 270 counterclockwise and 90 clockwise are kind of the same thing. So what you want to do is you want to put that you want to put the negative sign in front of the X coordinate and interchange them, and then you come out with 4, -3. And then you do 1, -5, and yeah. And I hope you guys learned from this, and thanks for watching. Okay then.